English Kazakh can you?
Siz alasız ba?
Welcome. Hey friend, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll crack the super useful phrase can you?
Siz alasız ba?
If you can learn this, you can ask for almost anything, politely and with a smile. Your goal today. You'll master a polite request in Kazakh and use it in everyday moments. Target phrase.
Siz alasız ba?
Equals can you? Verb bank for your dots, please.
Өтінемін.
Help.
Көмектесу.
Speak.
Сөйлеу.
Show.
Көрсету.
Write.
Жазу.
Open.
Ашу.
Pro tip. Say the base, then plug in your action word. Your mouth does the asking, your verbs do the heavy lifting. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm with me and you'll never forget it. Say it to the beat. C is, Allah syz, ba?
Siz alasız ba?
One more time, clear and friendly. Mini dialogue. Listen, smile, then repeat aloud. A. Excuse me.
Кешіріңіз. Siz alasız ba?
Megan komektiz alasiz ba.
Өтінемін. Маған көмектесе аласыз ба?
B. Of course.
Әрине.
A. Thank you.
Рахмет.
Quick drills. Your turn. Repeat the Kazakh out loud after each cue. At the station. Can you tell me the time?
Siz уақытты айта аласыз ба?
Opening parenthesis.
Айту.
Closing parenthesis. On the phone. Can you speak slower, please?
Баяурақ сөйлей аласыз ба? Өтінемін.
Opening parenthesis.
Сөйлеу.
Closing parenthesis. With a map. Can you show me the way?
Сіз жолды көрсете аласыз ба?
Opening parenthesis.
Көрсету.
Closing parenthesis. Note taking. Please write it down.
Өтінемін жаза аласыз ба?
Opening parenthesis.
Жазу.
Closing parenthesis. Doorway. Can you open the door, please?
Есікті аша аласыз ба? Өтінемін.
Opening parenthesis.
Ашу.
Closing parenthesis. Help me. Can you help me?
Маған көмектесе аласыз ба?
Opening parenthesis.
Көмектесу.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. Stay polite and choose the right form of you. Formal you.
Сіз.
Safe for strangers. Informal you.
Сен.
Friends. Informal pattern.
Сен аласың ба?
Polite negation idea.
Сіз алмайсыз ба?
Can't you? A softer nudge in context. Magic words. Excuse me.
Кешіріңіз.
Please.
Өтінемін.
Thanks.
Рахмет.
And the cheerful yes.
Әрине.
Pop quiz. Quick check. Say it aloud. I'll reveal the answer after a beat. Q1. How do you say, can you? In Kazakh? A.
Сіз аласыз ба?
Q2. Which word means, please? A.
Өтінемін.
Q3. Say, can you show me? A.
Сіз маған көрсете аласыз ба?
Q4. What's the informal, you, version? A.
Сен аласың ба?
Challenge and wrap up. Let's lock it in with a tiny challenge. Create 3 requests using the base.
Сіз аласыз ба?
For example, ask to write it down.
Жазу.
To open a window.
Ашу.
Or to speak slowly.
Сөйлеу.
Say them now, with a friendly tone and a smile. Thanks for listening, keep practicing daily. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio practice.